Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here we have our 2019 Nissan Sentra, and this thing is awesome. Let me tell you why. This thing is the SV package, which is going to get you your premium alloy wheels. It's got almost new Continentals on there. You can see that you're going to have your passive entry, which I absolutely love. That little button right there, you just push it to lock it or unlock it, so long as you have this key in your pocket or purse or somewhere on your person. You'd never have to take it out. You just touch that button and it does it. It's like magic. It's awesome. You do have your trunk here, which is very large for a smaller car. You're going to get a ton of room in here. See, you're in a 60-40 split there. Tons of room there. You do have the extra carpeted mat there that's going to keep it really clean. Of course, backup camera. Very solid cars. This thing is very clean. Inside and out, it's just a super clean car. You can tell it was very well taken care of. Plenty of room here to haul 3 passengers. You do have your power plugs there for your passengers, a folding armrest for their comfort. Again, that passive entry that I absolutely love. You're going to have the key, your power windows, height adjustable seat. Again, look at the condition, very, very clean. Have your power mirrors there. You do have your active eco mode, which is going to really help you maximize your fuel economy. Then you're going to get your duplicate audio controls, your cruise control, Bluetooth control, and that's going to control your Apple CarPlay, which I am a huge fan of. You have your navigation right here, straight through your phone, either Waze or Google Maps, whatever you choose. Then you can see that right there. You also have your phone. Looks like I've got 2 missed calls. Might be on this car. Y'all better get here quick. Then you can activate your Waze, Google Maps, iHeartRadio. Tons of features there. Just run your split screen with your navigation and you're now playing. Very awesome. This one's going to have your dual climate control. You're going to have your automatic transmission, oversized center console, which is going to have your USB input for your phone, so you don't have to connect via Bluetooth if you don't want to. You can just plug it there, charge your phone while you're running your Apple Play. Awesome car, guys. I can tell you, 31,000 miles. This thing's not even nearly broken in. Tons of factory warranty left on it. Let's talk about fuel economy. How about pushing 30 miles per gallon in the city, 30 in the city, and 40 on the highway? That's hard to beat. I mean, you're looking at a car under $15,000, way under $15,000. You're looking at a car that's getting hybrid-like fuel economy with Nissan gas durability. That's hard to beat. All the options, you're not getting a base stripped-down car. Apple CarPlay, very important, or Android Auto, very important. You're going to have your alloy wheels, your keyless entry, push-button start, everything you could want at under $14,000. And again, factory warranty on this one. No processing fees here. Don't get roped into those stupid processing fees. No fees. Call us at 540-433-7335. Text us 24/7 at that exact same number. We'll get back to you very quickly. Do not miss this one, guys. Phone's ringing off the hook. It's probably for this. Get here soon. Thanks for stopping by.